Welcome back to Challenge Garage, everybody. So we did it again, the wife and I. We bought another house, and it's a big one. It's gonna be a lot of work. Stay tuned. Okay guys, here we go. We're gonna go inside. I'll show you our new place that my wife and I just bought, and it needs a lot of work. And work has already started in case you hear some noises. So we'll start off in the dining room. So step one of this place is going to be, obviously there's some demo that needs to happen, but one of the things that we're gonna do is we're going to sand the floors, refinish them, make them look beautiful. That's going to be done, so we're not throwing away any of this gorgeous hardwood. We're also going to take all of the wallpaper down, have that all sanded smooth and repainted. This part of the living room, and again there is some construction going on, so I wanted to show you guys, this was the regular entryway here when you would walk in the house. It kind of really closed everything off, makes it feel a little bit old and I don't know, dungeony. So this entire door casing is going to get removed, and we're going to make it go much higher up, so it just feels a little bit more open. And then here we are in the living room, and in this living room, and I'll post up a picture, there used to be, here's the picture, there used to be a entire really big cabinet armoire kind of setup thing here for a small TV. We ripped that out, and obviously it left a huge hole in the floor, which we were not expecting. But since the guy's going to come and refinish the flooring anyway, we'll have him patch this so that it all looks nice. Check out the cool wood burning fireplace. The mantle is huge. My electrician's going to wire up and do some electrical power up there, so that now instead of facing this way to watch TV, the setup of the living room is going to be this way, so you'd face this way to watch TV. I mean, obviously if somebody wanted to put a TV here, they still can, but we are making some significant changes in this house. So this entire doorway is going to go away. This is going to get sealed up and removed. Yeah, by the way, here's all the old cabinets that were taken out of the living room. So again, this doorway is going to go away, and then we're going to open it up right here into the kitchen. There will be a step here so that you can go into the kitchen easily. Before I jump into the kitchen, there is a little sunroom here, which is beautiful actually. Very tall ceilings in this house, nice crown molding everywhere. Again, the hardwood floor is going to get refinished and it'll look gorgeous. There's a closet there. So here we are in the kitchen, and my guys have already started work. So kitchen was remodeled. It was 2018 is when this kitchen was remodeled. And with that, they did new cabinets, new countertops, new appliances, new all of that stuff, which looks fantastic. But here's what we are already doing. I am having them open up the entire doorway for the kitchen so that it's easier for you to go in and out of the living room. And it doesn't make the kitchen feel so closed off from the rest of the entire house. The other thing we're doing, so this is a kind of a double pantry. This is staying, and then this entire wall is getting opened up so that, again, you can go from the kitchen into the living room quite easily. And then remember what I mentioned, I said that door over there is going away, that outside door is going away. And the reason for that is because what we are doing is these triple windows, these are going to get blown out. We are going to have accordion style doors that are 80 inches tall and 120 inches wide, so that you can open up the accordion door and then be able to go right out onto the patio. So this entire rear patio, the deck, is all going to get ripped out, rebuilt, and then raised up so that it is floor level with the kitchen floor. This way you can walk out there and it'll feel very grand and feel like you've got a really nice indoor-outdoor space, and it's better for entertaining, obviously. We're also going to build a pergola above the deck, and the deck is going to get extended 2.5 feet further out on every side so that it is a bigger deck. Okay, so I walked you through the dining room, I walked you through the kitchen. Let's go on this side of the house. You got to see that room already. Okay, so if we were to walk in the front door and go that way, so this is, I guess, your formal living room, if that's what you would call it. I mean, I know people don't typically have formal living rooms anymore, but here's the really strange thing. So the way that this house was designed, obviously, again, you've got this formal living room, but if you walk through the formal living room, you have a door. This door has another door, which has a closet. I mean, like a nice full closet. And you have a bathroom. But it's not a half bath. Sorry, it's dark in here, the lights are out. It's a full bath. So in here you've got a full bath, so that we could actually convert this dining room into a flex kind of 5th bedroom if we wanted to. This house is 4 bedroom, 4.5 bath. So that's this side of the house. There is a pocket door here to close off. So this is, you know, to close it off from the living room if you wanted to. There is still more, guys. So we'll go through the kitchen. Can't go that way. Let's go this way. And I'm still walking you through the first floor here. And now on the opposite side of the kitchen, there is this additional room which the previous owners were using as a kind of dog room and office. Clearly you can see it used to be a dog room. So yeah, so this area is a little bit strange. I don't know how we're going to design this. Maybe partially a mud room. I don't know yet. That's still TBD. We're meeting with a designer to kind of talk about that. This is the garage, and then in here is just another closet and the circuit breaker. And this is a half bath. So there is a full and a half bath on the first floor of the house. And the reason why there's a half bath here is because this is the bonus room above the garage, which it counts as the 4th bedroom because it has a closet. It's so quiet up here. So yeah, this is the 4th bedroom of the house. Pretty big size, nice. I love the double ceiling fans. It's great. The plan for this room is that we're going to rip all the carpet out all the way down the stairs. We're going to retread everything. We're going to do LVP up here, make it more like a flex space. We figure that somebody that would be living in this house, I don't know if they would want to use this as a true, bedroom. I think they would probably want to use this as a gym. So it'll have, a hard surface flooring throughout the entire space, so they can use it as an office or, again, as a gym. And we think that's probably the best solution for this room. All right, let's keep going on our tour. I'll take you guys upstairs. All right, here we are. Again, front entryway, and you're greeted by the stairs. And the stairs are a little flimsy, so this is all going to need to get fixed. But again, the floors are going to get refinished. These stairs are going to get all refinished. The banisters are going to get all refinished so that everything is obviously clean and nice. And okay, so carpet flooring, that's going to get all ripped out. In here is just a linen closet. So this is the landing area up here. And they left us a really nice washer and dryer, which is great. Thank you. In here is attic access. This is the washer dryer room, obviously. In here, we're going to do LVP flooring and then new light fixtures in here. It's actually, we're going to do the can lights in here just to kind of raise it up and make it brighter. Here is the master bedroom, which is quite large. Love the ceilings in here. Very tall. I think those are like 18 feet up. So it's beautiful. And then, again, the room is really large and smells pretty bad in here. Check out how big this closet is. It's gigantic. That light, there it goes. Check that out. So super big closet. The carpet obviously is gross. They had really big pets, and the previous owners were in bad health, and I think they kind of just needed to downsize and make their lives a little bit more manageable. So obviously, again, all this carpet's going to get ripped out. The entire house is going to get repainted and refreshed. There'll be a new ceiling fan in here. Here's where we're gonna spend the bulk of our money, is this master bath. Whew, man. So this bathroom is pretty nasty. There we go. Yeah, this bathroom is pretty nasty. So there is the toilet on this side. So we're gonna wall this off so that it becomes its own separate little tiny room with its own light and fan. In here, we're trying to figure out how to do this the right way. We are going to save these cabinets and reuse them, but we are gonna rip the countertops off and then do a granite countertop. These are really low. I feel like they're lower than normal. So what we're gonna end up doing is we are going to do a vessel sink, a sink that sits on top of the granite countertop to give that visualization that it's up higher. We're also going to get rid of this mirror and then do 2 larger mirrors. We're going to change out these light fixtures, and we're going to keep this beautiful wallpaper. I love this. No, I don't. It's getting good. It's going to get taken down, and obviously all of it's going to get repainted. We have a freestanding tub, so this entire little jacuzzi tub is going to get ripped out. So we have a freestanding 67-inch huge soaker tub. It's beautiful. We've got the really beautiful large faucet that comes up out of the ground from the back side of the tub. That'll be really nice. All of the fixtures are we're gonna do the matte black door handles on throughout the whole house, matte black for all of the cabinet pulls, matte black faucets. Now for the shower, some changes in here. Obviously, we are going to have a rainfall shower come down from the ceiling. It'll be a huge rainfall shower head. And then we'll have 3 jets on either side, and then the handle will be in the middle. And then we're going to have a bench built on this side. And then obviously the entire thing is going to be gutted and retiled. And then we'll have the frameless glass with black hardware, which should look really nice when we're all done in here. All right, let's go check out another bedroom. And here's the really crazy part about this house. And I say crazy because it's like, man, I wish I grew up this way. Every bedroom in this house, on this side of the house, has its own full bathroom. So here is, and again, the bedrooms are like large. This is a great size. You have a really nice, like large closet. Again, new carpet in here. We're gonna repaint. It'll have a new ceiling fan. It'll smell fresh. It'll look fresh. It'll be nice in here. On the ensuite bathroom, I mean, this is great, like, you know, for your kids or whatever. So, you know, the cabinets are going to get repainted white, black hardware, black faucet, new mirror, new light fixture. And then my wife and I are still debating, we're going to have all black, like, accessory hardware for the entire bathroom. But we're debating on whether or not we should rip the, like, Formica type, whatever this, I don't know, quartz, fake granite stuff from the 90s is. I mean, we're planning on keeping these pieces, but I think maybe we might just do the same thing that we did in the master. Granite, vessel sink, pull all this down and retile it all so that, again, everything just looks nice and fresh in here as well. Take it to the other bedroom. Now this one's a little bit interesting because it's a little bit bigger of a bedroom and it's a second master, and I'll show you why it's a second master. Lights on. I don't think these lights work. No. Okay, anyway, closet. Oh, there it goes. Yeah, closet on this side and another closet on this side. And here's why I say it's another master, is because you've got a dual vanity. It's a little bit bigger of a bigger of a bathroom. And a toilet on that side. So again, kind of the same scenario. Do we rip this down? Do we retile it? I would love to know your opinion, guys. Let me know if you think we should rip this stuff down and tile it, and then do the granite over here too. It's going to be a lot of money, but obviously we've kind of come this far, and so we're here for it. We want to be able to maximize as much as we can. The thing that we're going to do with the floor is obviously we're going to rip out this tile flooring and then do an LVP in here as well, so that it looks new. in there. Okay, and I think that is everything I wanted to show you guys. I'll take you again downstairs and we'll go in the garage to wrap up. So take a look at this landscaping. The landscaping is beautiful. The outside of the house is really gorgeous. I love the little brick detail everywhere. The outside of the house looks great. Again, the landscaping is really nice. The yard's been well taken care of. All right, so here's the garage. And what we're gonna do in this garage is pretty simple. It's just paint it white. That's really all it needs, is a nice fresh paint job, and that'll complete this entire part of the house. Let's go around the back. All right, check this out, guys. Here's the backyard. Backyard is beautiful. Landscaping, again, is really nice. The grass is really nice. The bushes are really nice. The nice mature trees. The neighbors' houses are all gorgeous. Everything in here is beautiful in this neighborhood. And so this is the back of the house. That's the garage. There's an entry exit door in the garage, which is right there. And then that's that bonus room with the green floor. It's that one right there. So again, the house is really nice. The chimney is nice. There's no structural damage. Like, everything from the outside of the house has been really well taken care of. And it's just the inside that needs the updates. All right, well, that's it for this video, guys. So I want you to make sure that you subscribe so you can see the progress of this house as we kind of go through and gut this thing and fix it and refinish it and keep what's good and throw away what's bad, all of that stuff. Hang around and see what we do with this beautiful, beautiful house. Thanks for watching, guys. See you on the next one. Bye.